Beautiful people, you're welcome to day 2 on my 30 days of how I recreated this gele. So starting off, I just gelled down her edges, then using this fabric. You can see the fabric wasn't so long, just about 72 in length. So I first of all created 6 plaits on the left side of my mother's face. Now the long part of the ashoke is to the right, and you're going to see how I'm going to cross it. So telling my model to hold her head, I'm passing the longer part of the fabric, which is currently on the right side of her head. I'm passing it under, while the shorter part is going to be passed on top. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm passing the shorter one on top, and I'm also going to cross with the longer parts of the ashoke. Okay, now so crossing the ashoke and covering the other parts of our ears, I'm going to be creating another 6 additional plates on this side. Then I'm going to secure it down with a pin. So this gele is pretty easy. It's just I'm following the principle of 60-40. So the longer parts is what I've used in crossing and creating the V. Then I'm securing it with a pin. Then I'm going to go ahead and create some fans. I couldn't show that part because most parts of my body actually covered it, but I just created a simple fan and I'm pinning it at this point. Then I'm going to use the remaining fabric now to cross over this part, just like this. So it's actually an unconventional style, meaning that you just create something beautiful. So it's not like a very structured gele like that. So I'm more like creating plates one on each other, using it to cover this side of the gele. And we're almost done here, guys. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe so you see more videos, more tutorials on makeup, hairstyling, and gele. So right now I'm securing the parts with a pin. I already know what the style is going to look like. I'm just going to secure with a pin at every point so it stays firm. Yeah, so this is me lifting up. So all the fabric from behind, I'm just lifting them up and I'm securing with a pin. And at this point, I'm just going to arrange. I'm just going to keep arranging until I feel like I've gotten the design that I like. So that's what I'm doing here, just arranging, at some point securing with a pin, looking at it closely if this is what I like. And at the end of the day, this is what the gele looks like. This is how I recreated this look. So tell me what you think. Are you going to recreate it? All right, thank you so much for watching. So I'll be here tomorrow to show you another tutorial on what I created. Until then, keep winning. Bye.